Map to Sheets connects your map to a Google spreadsheet, letting you manage your data directly from Google Sheets. You can add new locations to the map. Update existing locations, or delete locations in the spreadsheet, and changes will automatically sync with your map. To get started, install Map to Sheets from the Google Workspace Marketplace. You'll be asked to grant a few permissions. Go ahead and allow them all. Once installed, go to the Mapme editor and open the Account Info menu. Create an API key. Copy the key and return to your spreadsheet. On the side panel, tap on the Mapme icon to open the Map to Sheets app. Tap on Initial Setup. Paste your API key and hit Create. A template will appear to help you set up the connection. Go back, tap Use Case Configuration. Make sure Direct Editing is selected and save it. Next, go to your Mapme editor, open the map you want to connect, and copy the map ID from the About section. Paste the map ID into the spreadsheet and sync the spreadsheet with the map data. And that's it. Your map is now connected and ready to manage through Sheets. Remember, you can add, edit, and delete locations. At any time, click on Sync with Map to synchronize your spreadsheet with the map, or Publish to make the latest changes go live. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, reach out via our chat.